President Trump and the United States Department of Agriculture launched an emergency food distribution program called Farmers to Families Food Box. The USDA is partnering with farmers to ensure that all Americans have access to the fresh and wholesome foods they need during the COVID-19 national emergency. Up to $3 billion in fresh produce, dairy, and meat products has been approved for purchase by the Trump administration for immediate distribution. New Beginnings Church in Bedford, Texas is honored to announce that we have been selected to serve the Metroplex as a hub of distribution. Just this last week, in one day, we distributed enough food to feed 56,000 people, 14,000 families. We had 3 semi-trucks, 70 pallets, and 3,500 boxes of produce and milk. Over the next few weeks, there will be many more opportunities to serve and be involved in these food distributions. We'll keep you updated with info on our website and social media platforms. But if you'd like to be involved, or if you yourself are in need, please contact Pastor Wanderson. We truly are blessed to be a blessing.
Hey everybody, we just want you to know that New Beginnings has had the privilege with partnering with President Trump, the White House, in Farmers to Families, feeding families. And so every week, last week I think we did 56,000 individuals. This week we're going to be able to do more. Every week for the next 6 weeks to maybe 18 weeks, we're going to be able to work with the White House and President Trump, making sure families of America have lots of food.
And guess what? Today I was able to come to a place where this food is being distributed. I have Dr. TEADRAN White, who's going to tell us where we are and what they're doing here in this location.
Okay, this is Inspired Vision Compassion Center. We give groceries to between 1,500 to 1,900 families every day, Monday through Friday. And so people come through with their grocery carts, volunteers drop in the product. They're instructed to keep their hands on. Everybody's hand sanitized when they come in. The carts are sanitized. Everything is good and safe. And then they're on here for a couple minutes, go out the other door, and go to their cars.
That's awesome. Doctor, I just wanted to say thank you for allowing us, New Beginnings, to be a part of this. Man, we're so excited. You are doing this. We're so glad that God is using our lives to repair a broken world. On behalf of our pastor, Pastor Larry, and Pastor Tis, we want to say thank you. God bless you, and let's continue to show the love of Christ through giving.